Okay. Yep. Today we're gonna write words that begin with a k sound. Okay. Desmond just tell me a word. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to draw it, but he says crab, crab. Okay. I'm gonna write here. Crab. Let me see how to write it. Okay. Crab. Crab. And it looks kind of like this. I think looks like this to me. There you go. That's my crab. Okay. I'm gonna ask Calvin. Is there another word that you can tell me that begins with a k sound? Calvin. Just turn your microphone on.
Cat.
Cat. Yes, you're right, cat.
Cat is my name.
And the Calvin, your name. So I'm gonna write those two words, okay, Calvin? Calvin, because you know it's in your name. I'm gonna draw Calvin, and since I'm not the best drawer, I'm gonna use my lines, my shapes, so I can write Calvin. The C is the big one, because it's your name. Cal, it's the first one in your name. Calvin. There you go. Capital letter. And the other one that you gave me was cat. This is gonna be good. I'm gonna use my shapes to draw a cat. There is my cat. Cat sound. Cat. Cat. Good. I'm gonna ask a couple students more. Who I haven't here today from Davis. Only your microphone. Do you have a word that begins with a sound? With a C?
Kitty. Kitty.
Kitty. Kitty is the other sound for, okay, and we already have cat. Do you have another one? Do you want a hint? I'm gonna give you a hint. Remember during weather time, we said today it is, how do we call that? Do you remember?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm gonna try to think.
Okay. Davis, how do you call this? Not
Crayon.
crayons. Does crayons begins with a sound?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna make my box of crayons with so many colors in it. Okay, gonna do it like this. My crayons. Crayons. Okay, I'll make it colorful later. We can do one more so we can begin with a k. Who have I in here? Beth, can you give me another word that begins with a k?
My brother is named Carson and it starts with the C.
Yeah, you're right, Carson. Okay.
He's
Okay, I write it. Carson, the first letter is capital because it's a name.
and then it's A.
Okay. Oh, thank you for helping me write it. Sometimes I do it wrong. There you go. Okay. What's the next
R.
word? Car.
S.
Uh-huh.
O. N.
There you go, Carson. Okay. And remember that I
And
can
my
use.
brother is a teenager.
Is a teenager? Thanks for the information. Okay, remember that I'm not that good at drawing, so I'm gonna use my shapes. I know that's Carson. Good job. Thank you. Okay, ooh. Capital C, lowercase c. Okay, I almost forgot that. Okay, thanks. I'm gonna stop my recording. Okay, hopefully you have your, there's the first page. Oops, I'll go back. For this, let me read it to you first, and then we're gonna find all the letters C's. Okay, says letter C. C is for carrot. This is so sensible. Okay, I'll go back again. There you go. Letter C. C is for cats and crayons and cakes. C is for candy and cookies that are baked. Okay, we're gonna read it again, but this time we need to find all the letters C's. Capital C's, lowercase c's. Gonna use my color yellow, and I'm gonna make my lines bigger. Okay, remember, get your highlighter or a color crayon that is that you can see through, like the color yellow, that works. And you're gonna help me find all the letters C. Letter C, and I'm gonna color it. Okay. C is for cats and crayons and cakes. C is for candy and cookies that are baked. Letter C. If you finish that, let's go to the next page. Erase that. There you go. Now you need your glue stick. You're gonna cut out the pictures, and you're gonna glue it on the circle of the letter C, the words that begin with the C. Okay, the first one. This is a cloud. I'm gonna ask Emilio, cloud. Does the picture cloud, do we need to cut it and glue it on the C or not?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So I'm not gonna X that out. How about sandwich? Tomas, do we need to cut the sandwich and glue it on the C circle? Yes or no?
No.
No, because that's not a sound. So I'm gonna exit. We don't need to cut that, and if we cut it, we're not gluing it on the C. Okay, Calvin, car. Are we gluing it car? Cutting the picture of car and glue it on the circle of the letter
Yes.
C. There you go. How about cake?
Yes.
How about cat? Cat.
Yes.
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 Thank you. I'm gonna ask Beth, carrot. Carrot. Do we X it out or do we cut it and glue it?
Cut it and glue it.
Yes. How about ring? Do we X it or cut it?
Exit.
Exit. There you go. How about the last one? Candy. Candy.
Yes.
Yes, we glue it. Thank you. I'm gonna leave you to do that by yourselves, and I'm gonna show you the next page that you also be working with by yourselves, okay? I'm gonna need to clear this. Close that. Okay, and I'm going to, oh, there you go. This is my slide. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna leave you working on these pages because it's gonna be time for some of your students to come into the class at the school. So I'm gonna give you the names.
We're almost gonna go inside it.
Yes, it is gonna be time for you for some of you to drive to school and come in school. Okay, let's do this page first. Don't forget to write your names. Trace all the dotted lines. You're gonna trace each of the letters, each of the C letters, lowercase c, capital C. Find all the seed on the squares and then color only the picture that begins with a C. Okay, that's your next work. I'm gonna stop first.